Hey there, science fans! Have you ever heard of green chemistry? It's all about making chemistry safer for us and our planet. We use chemistry to make so many things, from clothes to medicine, but sometimes those processes can be harmful to the environment. Green chemistry is like a superhero for our planet. It's about finding new ways to make the things we need while using less energy and creating less waste. It's about swapping out harmful chemicals for safer alternatives. Imagine a world with less pollution and cleaner water. That's the goal of green chemistry. It's about creating a sustainable future for generations to come. Are you ready to explore the exciting world of green chemistry? Let's dive in. Green chemistry isn't just a random idea. It's guided by some important principles. These principles are designed to make chemical processes more sustainable and environmentally friendly. They help us rethink how we create, use, and dispose of chemicals in a way that minimizes harm to our planet. Think of them as the golden rules for making chemistry more sustainable. These rules are not just theoretical. They are practical guidelines that can be applied in real-world scenarios to achieve significant environmental benefits. There are 12 of these principles in total. Each principle addresses a different aspect of chemical production and usage, from reducing waste to designing safer chemicals. One important rule is to prevent waste. This means designing processes that minimize the generation of waste materials. By doing so, we reduce the burden on waste management systems and lessen the environmental impact. It's always better to avoid creating waste in the first place than to clean it up later. This proactive approach not only conserves resources but also saves energy and reduces pollution. Another rule is to design safer chemicals. This involves creating substances that are less toxic and more biodegradable, ensuring they do not harm human health or the environment. We want to make sure the chemicals we use are safe for people and the environment. This means considering the entire life cycle of a chemical, from production to disposal. Green chemistry also encourages us to use renewable resources whenever possible. Think about plants. They can be grown sustainably and used as raw materials for various chemical products. They can be used to make all sorts of things, from plastics to fuels. By using renewable resources, we reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and decrease our carbon footprint. And of course, we always want to use as little energy as possible. Energy efficiency is a key component of green chemistry, as it helps to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and conserve natural resources. These are just a few of the principles that guide green chemistry. Each principle is interconnected, working together to create a more sustainable and eco-friendly approach to chemistry. By following these rules, we can make a big difference for our planet. Green chemistry offers a pathway to a cleaner, healthier future, where scientific innovation and environmental stewardship go hand in hand. Get ready to be amazed, because today, we're diving into the fascinating world of green chemistry. Green chemistry is leading to some incredible innovations that are transforming the way we think about materials and processes. One particularly exciting area is the development of biodegradable plastics. These plastics are designed to break down naturally in the environment, unlike traditional plastics that can persist for hundreds of years. Imagine a world where plastic waste doesn't clog our oceans and landfills. Instead, these innovative materials decompose naturally, reducing pollution and conserving wildlife. Scientists are also making strides in developing bio-based solvents. These solvents are derived from plants rather than petroleum, making them a more sustainable option. Not only are these solvents safer for the environment, but they are also less harmful to human health. They can be used in a variety of applications, from industrial processes to household cleaning products. And get this, these bio-based solvents can be found in everything from paints and inks to cleaning products. This means that everyday items we use can be made more eco-friendly. Another groundbreaking innovation in green chemistry is the use of enzymes in chemical reactions. Enzymes are like tiny biological machines that can speed up chemical processes. These enzymes not only make reactions more efficient, but also reduce the amount of energy required and minimize waste production. This is a huge step forward in making chemical manufacturing more sustainable. These are just a few examples of the amazing innovations happening in the world of green chemistry. From biodegradable plastics to bio-based solvents and enzyme-driven reactions, the possibilities are endless. Green chemistry is paving the way for a more sustainable future, and it's exciting to see what new developments will emerge next. Hold on to your hats, because green chemistry is making a big splash in industries all over the world. Let's start with agriculture. Green chemistry is helping farmers reduce their environmental impact by developing safer pesticides and herbicides that break down quickly in the environment. In the pharmaceutical industry, green chemistry is leading to the development of new drugs with fewer side effects. And in manufacturing, companies are using green chemistry principles to reduce their energy consumption and waste production. The best part? These changes aren't just good for the environment, they're also good for business. By adopting green chemistry practices, companies can save money, improve their public image, and create a healthier workplace for their employees. You might be surprised to learn that green chemistry is already all around us. It's not just a concept confined to laboratories or industrial settings. In fact, many of the products we use daily are the result of green chemistry innovations. Have you ever used water-based paint? That's green chemistry in action. Unlike traditional oil-based paints, which can release volatile organic compounds, VOCs, that are harmful to both health and the environment, water-based paints are designed to be safer and more eco-friendly. Water-based paints release fewer harmful chemicals into the air compared to traditional oil-based paints. This means they contribute less to air pollution and are safer for indoor use, making them a better choice for your home and the planet. And what about those eco-friendly detergents you see at the store? These products are another great example of green chemistry at work. They are formulated to be effective cleaners while minimizing environmental impact. Many of them are formulated with ingredients that are safer for aquatic life. Traditional detergents can contain phosphates and other chemicals that harm aquatic ecosystems, but eco-friendly detergents avoid these harmful substances. That means they won't pollute our rivers and oceans. By choosing these products, you are helping to protect our precious water resources and the creatures that live in them. Even the clothes you wear can be a product of green chemistry. The fashion industry is increasingly adopting sustainable practices, using materials and processes that reduce environmental impact. Some companies are now using sustainable fabrics like organic cotton and recycled polyester, which require less water and energy to produce. These materials not only reduce the strain on natural resources, but also often result in less pollution during manufacturing. Keep an eye out for these and other green chemistry success stories in your everyday life. From the paint on your walls to the clothes on your back, green chemistry is making a positive impact. By choosing products that are designed with the environment in mind, you can contribute to a more sustainable future. You have the power to make a difference with every purchase you make. By choosing eco-friendly products, you can support companies that are committed to sustainability and green chemistry principles. Look for products that are labeled as biodegradable, compostable, or made from recycled materials. Check the ingredients list and avoid products that contain harsh chemicals. And don't forget to consider the packaging. Choose products with minimal packaging or packaging made from recycled content. Remember, every little bit helps. The future of our planet depends on all of us working together. You don't have to be a scientist to make a difference. Here are a few simple things you can do to support green chemistry. Reduce, reuse, recycle. This classic mantra is more important than ever. By reducing our consumption, reusing items whenever possible, and recycling everything we can minimize our impact on the environment. Support sustainable businesses. Vote with your wallet and support companies that are committed to sustainability and green chemistry practices. Spread the word. Talk to your friends and family about green chemistry and encourage them to make sustainable choices. Remember, even small actions can have a big impact. Green chemistry gives me hope for the future. By embracing the principles of green chemistry and supporting sustainable practices, we can create a world where chemistry is used to solve problems, not create them. Imagine a world with cleaner air, cleaner water, and a healthier planet for all. That's the world that green chemistry is helping to create. Let's work together to make this vision a reality. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay engaged. The future of our planet depends on it.